And here is a look outside tonight. A little south breeze up at 700 feet, moving our camera around a little bit, but not all that much wind. Down low here, temperature awful nice at 74 degrees. In the city by 7 a.m., we're looking at about 65. We will have a deck of low clouds again, some patchy light fog. By noon, up near 80 and partly cloudy and 86 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow afternoon. Sound familiar? A lot like today's weather. Tonight out there, it's nice. It's 69 degrees out in Burnet right now. 65 already out here in Fredericksburg. Atlanta at 72, 70 up in Georgetown, and low 70s in our eastern counties. Officially in Austin, 74, and skies are clear. Out at the airport, clear skies, and 68 degrees. Winds tonight, just 3 miles per hour at Camp Mabry. At the airport, a south wind at 7. Sunrise in the morning at 7:36. No rainfall today. A little dry for the month. In fact, we have a 2 1/3 inch deficit for October. A 2010 surplus, though, at 9 1/3 inches. Lake levels from the LCRA holding pretty steady. Lake Buchanan's 2 feet below its average October level, 10 feet below the full level there. Lake Travis at 669, nearly 670 feet above sea level, 3 feet above average. And those lake levels aren't going to fluctuate very much because the LCRA has ended now all releases of water for downstream irrigation for the season. So we're in pretty good shape headed through the rest of fall and into winter. Mold count 407 today, medium. Here's the good news. Ragweed is now consistently down into the medium category after being high pretty much all month until last week. It's still a problem at 245 for those of you with ragweed allergies, and we're forecasting similar concentrations of everything tomorrow. Around the state tonight, it's a little cooler up in northwestern parts of Texas, upper 50s. There's been some decent rain up there. You see a cluster of showers and thunderstorms, some of which have been severe tonight, moving across the Texas big country toward the Abilene area, but we do think most of that will stay along and north of I-20 and not really have any impact on our weather. Upper level low spinning off the coast of Southern California will begin to kick out later this week and could help generate a shower around here by Friday. Then a trough will set up behind it through the weekend, sending little waves of instability across Texas, each of which could generate a shower. So we'll put weekend showers question mark. Right now it only looks like about a 20% chance until about a week from today, when the chance of rain could be just a little bit higher. National Hurricane Center watching a disturbance off coastal Nicaragua tonight. About a 30% chance of this storm system moving to the northwest and turning into a tropical depression over the next 48 hours. We will track it for you. Tonight, our low temperatures, mainly low and mid-60s. If you live in a rural area, you could dip into the 50s in the morning, and then a big warm-up into the mid-80s tomorrow afternoon, a little warmer than average. Tonight, we will see low clouds start coming in off the Gulf pretty soon, 65 the low. The day will start cloudy tomorrow, then the clouds, patchy fog will burn off. It'll be partly cloudy through the afternoon and a high of 86. And much the same for a Wednesday and Thursday, maybe even a few less clouds. Then we add that first chance of rain in on Friday and continue with the slight chance through the weekend with a little better chance, about a 30% probability early next week. Now, don't worry about that 20% chance of rain. We are still expecting that this weekend, Dogtoberfest will be just fine. A great fundraiser for local animal rescue organizations. It's at the Domain, Austin News sponsoring it. And if you'll go to KXAN.com on our home page, you can link right to the Dogtoberfest website and choose your judge for the canine costume contest. Leslie, Robert, Shannon Wolfson, you decide. Go to KXAN.com to link to Dogtoberfest at the Domain Saturday from 10 to 4, I think it is. All right, tomorrow morning beginning at 5 a.m., we bring you weather and traffic together every 10 minutes on Austin News Today.